fireplace inserts, it is not necessary to replace your old fireplace entirely. The popular and universal 28-inch size is perfect for retrofitting your current built-in fireplace or complementing a new or previously used wood mantel. Retrofitting is easy. The high-gloss piano black integrated trim kit covers the gaps, so you never have to worry about having an exact match. No venting is required, just plug it into a regular household outlet. No soot, no ash. The insert is powerful, generating 1500 watts of power. That is 4,776 BTUs, easily enough to make a 400 square foot room cozy. Enjoy the realistic flame effect, which offers various heating and flame intensity settings. For year-round enjoyment, just switch off the heat and enjoy the realistic flame and ambient lighting. Update your current older electric fireplace with up-to-date technology, which includes an integrated timer, gentle touch control panel, or, if you prefer, you can use the slimline remote control from the comfort of your favorite chair.